G'day. August is Small Business Month in Geelong, and we've got another session of Get Back an Hour in every day. So if you've done it before, come and do it again. But if you've never done it, you should give yourself the opportunity. It's on Monday, the 19th. It's this coming Monday, and it's just an hour and a half, 90 minutes, and there's a money back guarantee. If you don't get back your hour a day, I will give you your money back. Guaranteed. There's a huge amount in there, and I guarantee it. You will get your money's worth. Trust me. I've been doing it forever. So based on that, the link is below. If you've done it before, come and do it again. But if you've never done it, come and get a load of this, because it really is something that can ease the tension of your day, take some anxiety away. You get back your hour, you get to live a little, you get to do the things you want to do, and that hour you get to choose what you do with it. So it could be just the stress of too much to do and not enough time to do it in, or it could be really, I could be doing other things with the time that I've got. All right, that's it for now. Go register down below, wherever it is. I'm not sure where it is. I think it's below, but register. It's Monday. Do it now. Don't put it off. Go, yeah, I should do that straight away. And we'll see you at the festival. All righty, bye.